Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off your speaker EDIFIER D32. So to turn off your speaker we have two options. We can use an application. Firstly, let's do this. So open EDIFIER Connect app. Of course you need to add your speaker to the application, then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. And right here at the first line we have power off, so click at this line and click power off and confirm. And we just turn off this speaker. Now let's turn on it. So on the front side at the bottom we have power button and you need to press and hold this power button until you will see the LED light. Here we go. It can be red, green, white or blue. It depends what mod you used. I now use Bluetooth mode, so that's why I have a blue one. And we just turn on it, so to turn off it, we need to also press and hold this power button. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!